Okay, it is truck build day 19. The sun is shining, but it's still 0 degrees, which isn't very nice. And there's already a wind, so I think it's going to be another cold day. But today's plan, finish off those step treads. So they just need to be double screwed, sanded back, and covered in the polyurethane, the same as the floor. Clad the front of the queen bed with the double doors in it. And swing those double doors, paint all that black. And then like those step treads are going to take like 24 hours to dry. So that'll be that sort of area's pretty getting done. Touch up all the black paint and the conduit and stuff in the queen bed area. And then I think most of that kind of end, this end, is kind of getting done. I've still got to put in overhead shelves and things, and maybe a bed head and hang some art, and there's still things to do, but like major construction wise, that's coming to an end. Tom is working on these doors, getting the framing all bolted in, but we've got to go to Bunnings and get some bolts. So big glass doors in this cavity here, which will keep the view. And these little frames we're going to clad on the outside in the spotted gum, and then the inside I'm hoping to use as like little bookshelves and things too, because they'll be beside the couch and my desk on this end. So yeah, when I'm sitting here at my desk, that'll be what I have to look at. It'll be hard to do some work. But yeah, I think that's sort of where we're up to. As the sun is out, we might have a change of plans. And I've got some skylights and stuff that's got to go up in here. So maybe we'll have a change of tact and do that instead. But it's not a super pleasant day. So I think today is to get that door frame done. I don't know if we'll get the doors hung, but we'll get the door framing done. And to finish off the queen bed area. But that's the plan. We'll see how it pans out. First job as always though, cleaning up. That's Tom's jumper, but if he wants to leave it out on a ladder all night, it's getting covered in dust this morning. And the floor looks fabulous. It does have a few scratches on it. So when I put the next load on, we'll sand them and pull them out. But yeah, it has had a few scratches with things coming in and out over the last few days. See how we go. But yep, that's the back doors. Try to get some work on them. And try to get this area kind of finished off. This is one of our Chemex skylights. It's got to go up there somewhere. And maybe we'll put that in today, but we'll just see what the weather's going to do, I think. And there's my 3 spotted gum stair treads, all varnished up, out in the sun to dry, and then they can go in. Next job for today is to put the face on the bed frame and cut those doors in and hinge them. Okay, I've got my door fronts on. I still haven't got any locks or anything because they're still in a stray post, but that's that bit. So now I can tape all this up and clean it all down and paint it black. That's this afternoon's job. More painting black, all that area there. Tom's partway through fitting our new awning.
Just hooked on that. I just want to see where that's supposed to go because the fitting instructions, gee.
The King's Batwing one, a 180.
Yeah, just pull it out.
Like, it's caught on the bag, isn't it? Keep going. Keep going. Oh yeah, I see. Okay, painted, just put some paint on the coats, on the first coat on the front of the bed, and touched up the back wall and put a layer of paint on the conduit. and up the side, and just hiding it all in a little bit. So definitely needs a second coat, but we'll let that dry. And we get to do it all again tomorrow. A few more deliveries made it today, including the base for my stairs that have to come from here. It's a little slide-in mount that goes in there over the fuel tank and then drops down. So Tom's on that tomorrow, I think. The 180-degree King's awning now is up there above the door, the big batwing guy. The end of, I think, are we day 19? I think we're day 19. Felt like progress today. My duvet cover and my sheets also turned up today, so that's something. Hot water system turned up yesterday. I'm still waiting for one caboodle cabinet from Bunnings. They cancelled my door fronts and stuff because I couldn't wait to the end of September for them. What else am I waiting for? I'm still waiting for my oven and my pop lock caravan style door latches. I'm still waiting for those as well. But actually feel like I achieved something today. Feel like I did something today. Feel like we're starting to make progress quite rapidly now. All the sort of dicking around with things in the background are sort of starting to happen, so all the little bits are starting to come together. Tomorrow I hope to put a second coat on that queen bed area and the conduit up that front area. Even though the conduit will be hidden, I want to paint it, make sure it's done right, and then my step treads can go in, and then I think we're moving on to the caboodly kitchen side of things.